first and then come back around, I believe. We'll watch and see that. Because of the, yes, that's what he's going to do, because the tow plane is off behind him. Okay? Go ahead, Sandy. What were you going to the airport at Poughkeepsie, New York, where they have an aerobatic school. The captain is a beautiful aerobatic trainer, side by Mudry Aviation, M-U-D-R-Y, at Dutchess County Airport in Poughkeepsie, New Hampshire. Has 2 captains that they use in their aviation program up there for all types of training. But
watch this next maneuver, please. Nose down in position.
He'll do it right there, all the way around. That's it, snap roll right there on the deck, as they call it. Danielle is going to demonstrate the performance capabilities of the...
People wonder why the airplane is able to fly upside down, and the fact that it has an inverted oil and fuel.
Climbing at about 350, 400 feet per minute. On a day like this, probably 500 feet per minute. Inverted, upside down. And it's a good test to that airplane. It's a beautiful wing, isn't it? The shape.
Oh yeah, that's. I was going to
a little bit later on.
Now that one there was on a 45-degree down now, right at eyeball
There's
level.
Number 1.
It's 2.
There's number 2. 3 on the diagonal. 4 across the top. You can see Danielle hanging in there through the tinted glass of the canopy. You can actually see him.
There's 7,
and there's 8. The 8-sided loop, the octagon.
8 concise, suspended by those 5-point safety straps, the shoulder straps, the belt strap, and the... Once again, right at eye level, they pull the airplane up through the 45 into the vertical, and look at that, a quarter-turn roll right on point as we look at that sunburst paint design on the top wing, and a beautiful hammerhead stall turn, inside snap roll, a half snap, and completing.
Once again, converting that altitude into airspeed. He'll come right here at show center. There's 1 and 2, 3, 4 to the inverted flight attitude. He pushes outside, negative G's right here. Now watch this, he'll come up and over the top. He'll get right up here, the reverse hammerhead turn. Right in there, you get a good look at the hammerhead from the bottom. Now he'll push again, once again, some negative G's right here. Here goes lunch, as you say.
Right, from 0 airspeed down to the about 125, 130 miles an hour again, and all the way from the bottom, pushing forward on that stick, experiencing about 4.5 to 5 G's.
Sponsored by North Star. If you're in general aviation, you own a general aviation airplane, and you'd like to get a good Loran navigation system, North Star is the way to go.
Sonny, as you come through the entry,
3/4, and right in there, he's got stopped just a little short for the wind that's up there, keeping that wind correction angle in there, coming right straight back down. Now, Sandy, you call the Lumshavak coming back here. Watch.
All right, now it comes back, establishes a 45, stopping it there, then rolling the airplane, holding it there, outside snap roll. The airplane comes completely unglued right about there, actually out of control for just a few seconds, and once again as the nose comes down and the air goes over the control surfaces, becoming under control once again for the complete Lumshavak.
Just as nice as can be. Up on the 45 once again, rolls over to inverted, climbing out upside down, comes back on the stick, and he'll come back through here once again with about 170, 180 miles per hour. After that dive, there's 1, 2 to upside down. He'll push forward on the stick, right in here, up and around. Gets right up on top. He'll continue pushing as he gets right in here. He establishes the 45, 1/2 of a snap roll to the inverted position, pushing forward on the stick, going out to the far side.
Yeah, Sonny, the apparent ease in which Danielle...
By the man who invented it, so he gets right here, pushing forward all the way around, the outside turn, a complete 360-degree turn, all the way around. Now, as he comes around, let's see if the bald spot is just a little pink. As he comes around right there, yes, I think I see a slight glow.
I think it's amazing,
Through the canopy there.
for someone to have the man here that actually introduced that maneuver. The
First time it was ever done in any way. Now, he's coming back through with his little photo pass. So give him a nice wave out there as he goes by. You can see him waving at you. Every once in a while, on down the line.
And photo pass. Now it's going to be Kathy's individual turn as she does the headstand.
Montaigne Millet and Danielle Hilligouin, the French Connection Airshow team. They're going to take off, clear the area, climbing for a little bit of altitude to begin their ballet in blue. While they are doing that, they have this next unusual airplane that's going to take to the sky. It's called a Long Easy.
Into the earth, the mountains illuminated and gaued with exaltation. The sky seems endless, above, beyond, and below. The earth dances as we soar towards it. Immortal men, that's who we are. We have the wings of a god, the hopes of the poor man, the goals of a god. We fall wing to wing, becoming one mind, anticipating each other's moves. A feeling of so much closeness, abound, strong as the universe. I am actually floating. The person behind me is just as high. I am so happy. No other time could be so perfect. If this moment lives forever, I will live forever. This poem was written by Michelle Chaudwin for her parents, Jim and Jody.
And his son Josh going right on down the line here. Give him a nice big wave as they come by. Let's watch now once again. From the right, ladies and gentlemen, the French Connection and their ballet in blue. Listen in and see if we can hear the French Connection in flight. now as they get set to do the fleur-de-lis, and we'll continue to listen in. As it goes around the complete 360-degree turn. The mirror to mirror, canopy to canopy, 360-degree turn.
Button wave to Danielle. She waved back to when Danielle flipped up one more time.
Snap roll, and now Montaigne Malay comes diving down into the center of the airshow area as she sets up for her landing pattern. Beautiful slow roll incorporated inside the turn, and Danielle Hiliguan comes down with his cap 10, right straight through the center of the aerobatic area, and around the corner. Let's watch for his trademark, the snap roll inside the turn, coming right back down towards the runway once again. Beautiful performance by the French Connection Airshow team. The ones that are parked in the taxiway area, the in and out ramps or the in and out aisles, we ask you to please do not dilly-dally, get on over to your airplane. Not in a rush, but wait until the show is completely over and the people at the security people at the two taxiway crossings that flew in today, use your checklist, check everything very, very carefully, and make certain that everything is right before you take off. Please help us adhere to that request by the FAA. The French Connection, 1987, the French Connection Airshow team. All right, beautiful performance. It'll be rolling, and the jumpers should be on their jump run. There they are, high overhead.
You got it, Sonny. They're right overhead now. Yep.
High overhead. I don't know if Hawkeye is down here or not. He was here the other day. He was going to give us... Oh, he's up there. Oh,
he's up in the airplane.
Okay, the Northeast Pennsylvania Ripcord.
Okay, the area is clear.
They're on the hot run. The area is clear now.